Hey there, welcome to my room at the Mirage Las Vegas. Come on in. So I'm staying in a standard double queen room. Let's start with the bathroom. Here are the 2 double beds. Now across from the beds is the bar where you have a television, a mini bar that is sensor sensitive, so be careful if you move everything because you will get charged, along with some snacks that are not complimentary. And then we have a desk, but you know we're not here to do work. It's all about the fun and games of Vegas. And I love this view that we have. From the strip at daytime to the strip at night with a view of the volcano show. There's a reason they call the Mirage a desert oasis, and you can see that throughout the casino resort. So let's start outside where there's the entrance to the secret garden and pool. The Mirage has their main pool, but if you're looking for some peace and quiet, book a lounge at the adult pool. When staying at the Mirage, you'll truly be in the heart of all the action on the strip. I hope you enjoyed checking out the Mirage with me. For more information, click the link below. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm FunSized.